Welcome back to a small tutorial where we're going ahead and setting up our environment for an OpenClaw. On this one, we're going to go ahead and just put up a few settings for the firewall here. So first, we're going to check our status here. We're going to do sudo UFW status. Great, so our firewall is inactive and that's completely okay. We're going to go ahead and activate it. But first, we're going to run sudo UFW default deny incoming. And what this rule does, like the rule implies, it sets a default policy to block all incoming connections unless there's a specific rule to allow them to connect with us. Great. The next rule we're going to go ahead and set is sudo UFW default allow outgoing. And what this rule does is sets the policy to allow outgoing connections from your machine so that apps can reach the internet unless you explicitly block them. Okay, and the last one will be sudo UFW allow 22/TCP. And the rule is basically allowing the TCP connection on port 22, which is a default SSH port. The reason why we're setting this up is because we will be connecting through SSH ports in the near future, and we want to make sure that we're not being blocked. Great, let's go ahead and check the status here, verbose. Great, so you'll notice how it's inactive right now. We'll go ahead and activate it now. You can do that with sudo UFW enable. Now you can go ahead and rerun the status on your firewall and you'll see the details on it. Alright, that is the end of this short tutorial. Until next time, thank you for watching.